Greetings, my name is Frank Carroll and I am your department IT director and webmaster, and today I'm going to show you the quick and easy process to doing your CPR. So first, we're at the mylegion.org website. To do this, you must be assigned as the post commander or adjutant. The first thing you're going to do is go to log in. Once you have logged in, you're going to follow the normal steps that you do to get into your post information, like to do membership and things of that nature. So we're going to click this red My Account. For this demonstration, we're going to use post number 89. I have assigned myself as the adjutant so that I can walk you through the same view that you will see. Once you pick the post, if you have to, you can click here from My Groups. You'll see that the first selection, this blue button, Submit Your CPR, or you can use this one on the left side. Once you click on this, you'll see a draft for this year's consolidated report. If you toggle to closed, those will show your last year's consolidated reports. I will say if you're a new adjutant and this is your first time, or if you are like me and you don't have a good memory, you can look at some of these past reports to make sure that you don't miss things that your post consistently does. But like I said, there's your closed ones. You can use those to help you remember stuff. If you do not see your consolidated report here, there are some that may not have populated here and there, and if that happens to you, you have to open a ticket with the My Legion support desk, and they will populate your CPR for you. All right, so next we're going to get into how to go further and actually do the report. So we're going to click Edit. Once that comes up, you'll see some disclaimers here. So it's telling you, first off, number one is that you should hit Save Draft every now and then, because if the page times out or if something janky happens, per se, you might lose your progress. Also, when you're typing in money amounts, you do not have to put the dollar amount. It already knows, okay? So don't do that. Just put the numbers. So we're going to go down through post 89. These are all the questions of the CPR, right? I came in here earlier and messed around with it, so you'll see like number 15, I just typed in a 1, 2, 3, and so you can actually start on your CPR without submitting your CPR. So what I did after I typed this 1, 2, 3, I saved it as a draft, and it saved those numbers. I put a yes in this, it saved that answer. So what you're going to do when you're ready to fill it out, or if you come back to work on a draft, you just hit edit. You'll see these boxes. So number one, leave blank. All right. So don't even mess with it. These numbers here, this is how many character limits there are. So as you type, you'll see that that number goes down. So it has a character limit in that box so that they don't get too long. So that's what the number is. All right. So you're going to go through all your CPR right here. Veterans Affairs, Rehabilitation. Keep going. You got National Security. All the pillars are all covered in there. Committees, all the stuff like the normal report, right? So go through your CPR. Once you get done with that, you're going to come way down here to the bottom and you're going to say save as a draft, right? If I'm ready to submit it, the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit next. All right, and now you'll get this submit final. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to actually submit this. But once you have this and you have it saved and everything, if you need to, you can right here hit printer friendly version or printer friendly view, sorry. Once you have that up, you'll see that it gives you this nice report. You hit the print button, comes up. I could send it to the printer, or you can save it as a PDF, save it right to your hard drive. So it'll have all of those questions and what the answers are, so you have a hard copy. I really, really suggest that you keep a copy of it. Don't rely on it being stowed inside there before you leave and while you see the data there, just in case you have to retype something in, save yourself a copy of it. And like I said, all you have to do when you're done is go down to the bottom and tell it you want to submit the final report, and you'll be good to go. Then you'll see it in there in the list. So let's go back out to that list real quick. Go back to my account. Guess I could have just hit that. There you go. So once you have that submitted, it's not going to be open anymore. It won't be in this selection. It'll be in closed. So you see how these statuses are submitted? Once you submit it, it goes to closed. All right. All that all does is it shows you any open and closed. You can't create a new one. National loads it in there so that there's only one copy. And so, like I said, if you don't have a draft in there, make sure you contact the My Legion support desk and they will give you assistance on how to get that process going. All right. So that's pretty much it. I'm sure that some people might have questions, need help. If you do, hit me up. More than glad to help you. There's my contact information right there on the screen. And I hope this was a little helpful for you. Good luck submitting your CPR. Let's get it done.